Hello, welcome back to another video. This is Gabriel.meneses, your e-commerce coach, and today we're talking about 3 different platforms that you can use to optimize your processes when you're posting on social media for your e-commerce store. Before we get started, make sure to go to heymeneses.com/toolkit. The link is in the description to download everything that you need to get started with your e-commerce store. Okay, it's completely free. You only go ahead, download it, and you'll be able to use all of the templates, all of the codes that I have there, only copy and paste and you're ready to go, okay? And also I have big news for you, because if you are looking to get content marketing ready, this means not relying on Facebook ads, Google ads, and all of these, but using your personal brand and also content marketing to get sales for your store, for your business, or whatever you're trying to do. The Content Bootcamp just opened up, okay? So this is Laura Gomez. She's my agency co-founder. So she put herself into a huge program. She was planning this for a while now. The first edition of the program already happened, but this is the second one, and I'm super glad that I'm teaching in this one 2 of my favorite classes, my topics, which is where I got started, which is editing and filming, okay? And it's basically everything that you need to get started, okay? So this bootcamp is a 4-week program that will take you by the hand on how to create content using your personal brand to drive sales to your business, practice, if you're a coach, if you want to get into the influencer space, or even you can use this to boost your sales for your e-commerce stores and all of these, okay? Without spending money in ads, okay? So right here, you will have all of the information that you need to actually see what's included and everything that you need to know about the bootcamp. So go ahead to tdchub.com/thecontentbootcamp, okay? This will start in the next 4 days, so get on it right away. Go into it, start browsing, and enroll as soon as you can. And if you're watching this video later on, make sure to go to tdchub.com to get into the waiting list for the next edition of the bootcamp, okay? So without further ado, let's go to the first app that you need to get on, okay? This is Sketch Social, okay? This is the main thing that you need to be thinking about as soon as you get into the Instagram game and all of this, okay? This is the only Instagram app that you will need, because here you can publish, you can plan your stories, you can plan your posts, and it's the most well-rounded app that you can use for anything regarding Instagram, okay? Here you will be able to do a ton of different things. The first one is automatically publish your posts, okay? This is the big thing here. You can actually go a step ahead and actually plan your stories, plan your videos, plan everything that you need to do inside the platform. This way, go one day and batch the content and it will be super easy, okay? Then you have the auto post across platforms, okay? Here you can use Instagram, Facebook, Google, Twitter, so you can actually reuse the content depending on the platform. You can crop it and do many things that are super well to optimize your processes, okay? And obviously, you know, the Instagram feature for the tags, the e-commerce space is huge, okay? So the tags and hashtags is also optimized for the platform. So everything will be done for you. You only need to go ahead, schedule all of the system, and then the system will input all of the changes that you did right away, okay? Then one of the awesome things about this platform is that you have a visual planner, okay? Right here, you will see all of the month that you already planned. Let's say that you have a virtual assistant and this person is doing this process for you. And then you will see how the grid is going to look, the stories and everything, including the copywriting of each post, okay? And then later on, I will teach you how to actually even automate the copywriting process so you can even save time doing that, okay? Then we have the Chrome extension, which is necessary if you want to actually increase the speed of everything that you're doing. And then you have the social media analytics, where you can see your numbers and see what's going on, and your team can send you the metrics to see if your efforts inside Instagram, Facebook, and all of these platforms are actually working, okay? So this is the cream of the cream. This is the best platform that you can get to automate your Instagram, Facebook, etc. Okay, so the link is down in the description, a special code. Just go ahead and try it out for yourself, okay? This will save you a ton of time, okay? The second platform is Hashtastic. This is an amazing tool to actually automate the hashtag research process, okay? As you know, you need to be able to post and also rank your Instagram posts to be able to reach new audiences, okay? This means that you don't have to be spending on Facebook ads, Google ads, 100%. You can also reach people by using the proper hashtags, and the best way to do it is by using Hashtastic, okay? This platform will give you the best system to use, which is called the ladder method, which is 10 small hashtags, 10 medium hashtags, and 10 large ones, okay? This way you'll start ranking from small to large without any issues, okay? And also the competition score of the hashtags will be just right for your account, okay? So get on it. This is an amazing tool. So what you do, you research different sets of hashtags and then copy and paste inside your Sketch Social, and this will be posted automatically on each post that you do. This is an amazing platform. Go ahead, take the time to review it and then start using it. So the link is in the description if you want to check it out. The third platform is called Copy.ai. If you are spending a ton of time just trying to come up with ideas when you're writing your descriptions, your bios, even your Shopify copywriting, this is the best tool that you can use because it is an artificial intelligence system that you input some words about your industry, about your store, etc. And then the system will give you options that you can actually copy and paste straight away to your social media or store, okay? Super straightforward, super easy to use, and it's completely unique to your store, okay? So go ahead and check out Copy.ai. The link is in the description. You have a free trial. It's ready to go just for you to use, okay? This is the content marketing trifecta that will save you a ton of time when you start creating content for your accounts. As you know, content marketing is super important to reach new audiences and even to actually increase the social proof of your business, okay? If someone goes to your account and they see that you don't have an active Facebook or Instagram account, that you're not posting daily, this will be a red flag for a potential customer, okay? So you need to be on top of your content on social media, okay? Well, that is it for today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this information helpful. And again, make sure to go to heymeneses.com/toolkit to get all of my free resources right away so you can get your e-commerce store started. I'll see you next time.